Sup? We're back. Day 3, third day in a row. What have we got? What do we got? We got another 370Z. We're going strong the entire month of June. Make sure to come back. If you ever see anyone doing those sequence type shots that I just did, you have to like the video because you know what? They're not hard. They just take forever and they're just annoying to film. But I'm back in the Z gang. Just look at it. Oh my. The camera actually makes it look so much nicer than it actually is. Gonna do a full walk around of the car. Like the way the lighting is hit on the camera makes it look so clean. In reality, I drove this to Portland last week and I live in Washington and that is not the case at all. Like I'll get up close in a second, you guys will really see how dirty it is. Alright, you may be looking at this right now and being like, oh my gosh, but you know what? If you're hating on these, you honestly probably haven't driven these because these are nice, they're awesome, they're super quick. But yes, okay? It's an automatic, all right? Okay, it's an automatic. It's all good though. It's all good. It's all good. It's my car, okay? It's my car. It's not yours. Automatic. Paddle shifters. Awesome. Also has some heated seats right here. That's actually super nice. Biggest complaint? One cup holder, man. And look at that. Look at that. The cup's sticking out. You got one cup holder in here. Other than that, it's literally the exact same as my first 370. I'm trying to think of any differences that this car may have than the first one I had. So this 370, it does have the 19-inch wheels. My first one had the 18-inch wheels. This part of the front bumper, which is like, I believe 2009 to 2012 Nissan 370Zs kind of have these fangs right here. And I really like these. I prefer these to like the newer front bumpers. I think it's on the 2013 and up. The previous owner had it painted black. I think it looks pretty good. Can't really tell in the pictures, but he had them powder coated a like metallic gray. It looks pretty nice, but you could tell like the paint job isn't really the best. I mean, in some areas where there would be curb rash. They look pretty nice, they're good, I like them. It does have tinted windows, something that I think just really makes the car look, like really brings the car together. Like a silver car with tinted windows just looks really nice. It does have an aftermarket muffler, not a catback or anything, literally just the muffler, but it sounds really nice. My hair is just short enough to the point where it's not gonna stay in this hat, but it's all good. But yeah, long story short, I had a 370Z, traded it in for the Jeep because I needed a car with more space. A few months later, I was able to, I was really looking for a 350Z or a 300ZX. And when I was looking for 350s, this car actually came up for the price of a 350. So I was like, this is unreal. The main reason I bought it was because the guy I bought it from lived so far away, like 2 hours away from where I live, but it just so happened that he was working construction in my city. So I was like, all right, it's meant to be. Literally met him on his lunch break and bought it, so I'm super stoked on it right now. But something that's just so weird to me is like my first 370 was like a dream car of mine, something I had wanted for probably 2 years straight of me just talking like, oh, I want a 370 and whatnot, and like I knew I was gonna get one. I knew one day I was gonna have one, but it's just funny because like you put these things in your mind of like this is the top. I can't achieve anything more than that. Like this is the end all, this is the dream car. And then you get that, like I got my first 370Z and I was like, it's really nothing more than a car. Like that is not what brings happiness. That's not enough motivation. All I'm saying is like, okay, a lot of you are probably like 370Z is not even that cool. It's not even that expensive. It's not even worth having a goal, but it's like to each their own. And to me, the 370 was my like ultimate, like, oh, that's so cool. I really don't think I'm gonna own one. I'm gonna work really hard. And I think I will be able to get it if I work really hard. And then like I got one and I literally traded it for a Jeep and was able to pick up another one. And I'm not trying to brag or anything or boast. I'm literally just saying that like, you get out what you put in. So if you work hard, and if you put in the hours, you will get what you want. Now I have this 370 and the Jeep. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see with the 370 or with the Jeep. Because you already know we're doing this every day.